So another high traffic, low keyword difficulty with a huge income potential niche. Okay, this is a very lucrative niche. So in the previous video I had shown you how one of the niches is getting 158k views, right? 8k searches per month, just one keyword, and the total set of keywords was getting around 2.1 million searches. Now today I'm going to show you one thing where it is even more than that. Okay, and let's look at this. See this, it's a waist trainer. The commercial intent is very high. Okay, and the waist trainer, you can see the keyword difficulty for yourself, it's only 21. Can you beat that? That's 21. And look at the search volume, it's huge. The search volume is like amazing. Look at the volume, 255k. The cost per click on average is 70 cents. And then the global volume, the search volume, the maximum is from US, United States, then the UK, then the Australia, South Africa. So you have good CPC your potential as well, AdSense potential. And I would like to show you what are the individual keywords, but before that, and also I'll have it listed out on this blog post, okay, where I am listing the high traffic low competition niches in USA. And when I came across this, I already listed one, but I'm listing with the search volume and the CPC. But look at this one. This one has like just two words, waist trainer, and look at the keyword difficulty, and look at this. And even if you have a brand new site, you still can rank so well for this keyword, because the keyword difficulty is almost untapped. Okay, I'll be picking these up and I'll filter out terms like Walmart and near me, etc., and I'll post it on my website. The post should be linked below. Just go there and check out the thing. And what you have to do is that when you're picking the keyword, look at this last column. This is the parent keyword. Okay, so when the parent keyword is same or similar, then you can use that as topic clusters. So when you use it as a topic cluster, the authority of that sub niche will start increasing. Okay, because you're talking about one particular sector only, like you're only talking say about earbuds for small ears. So all these find topics which are all about this, write on that, then move on to the next topic, so that you can build up some inherent authority. You'll rank very quickly. I mean, keywords with the keyword difficulty of say 1 and less than 30 are so easy to rank for. And even if you are a brand new site, you can look for something just say less than 15, and you should be able to rank for the keyword difficulty column. This is the column. And even if this search volume is less, it's okay, because even with zero volume I'm getting thousands of visits for some topics. Okay, so there is no issue. You will earn an income. You will be able to earn through AdSense as well. So check it out.